Welcome back. In this video, we're making chicken pot pie. Over medium heat, 1/4 cup of butter, oil so the butter doesn't burn. Once the butter has melted, 1 cup of carrots, and 1 cup of celery. Cook for 5 minutes. Then add 1 onion. Cook for 5 more minutes or until the onions are soft. Season with salt and pepper. In goes 1 teaspoon of garlic. Cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then add 3 tablespoons of flour. Cook off the flour about 1 minute. Deglaze with 1 cup of white cooking wine. Pour in 2 cups of heavy cream. In goes 1 teaspoon of thyme. Bring up to a gentle simmer. Then add 1½ cups of rotisserie chicken, 1/4 cup of peas, 1/2 cup of bacon, and 3 to 4 cooked potatoes. For the crust, 1½ cans of Pillsbury biscuits. Brush the biscuits with heavy cream. Bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, or until the biscuits are lightly golden brown. Spoon into a serving bowl, top it off with the biscuits, and there we have it, chicken pot pie. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.